Hi everyone, I wanna show you guys two great products from Lanthome. First one is this teeth whitening essence from Lanthome. I've started becoming like a big coffee drinker, and over time my teeth become less healthy, and I've noticed that it becomes even more yellow, which of course compromises my image. I tried a lot of teeth whitening products, and this one from Lanthome I've been using for a week. This pen claims to be whitening the teeth, remove the years of stains from the red wine and coffee, and it said it will not damage the teeth and gums. And the ingredients show that it also has antibacterial effects. Just follow the package instructions. Twist base of the pen to dispense gel into the brush and apply a layer of gel on your teeth, avoiding the gums, and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. Do not eat or drink during the treatment and rinse out mouth with water when finished. Apply 2 to 3 times a day for optimum results. I have used so many products before, and this one is the best so far. It was much more affordable than the others, which cost me hundreds of dollars. It was very important to me to find right product because I have very sensitive teeth. And this liquid contains sodium borate and sodium carbonate, which works to fight stains and whiten your teeth. And it also specially designed to minimize the risk of sensitivity. And there is no weird aftertaste, I really like this product because it gives me a significant results in just a few days. All you have to do is just keep your mouth open for like 30 seconds. It's not that hard. It is perfect at home, paintless teeth whitening solution, and I'm definitely gonna recommend this to my friends and family. And now this nail repair from Lanthome. I've been having some troubles with my nails for so many years, and I pretty much gave up on doing anything to fix it. And my friend recommends me to use this pen, and I decided to try this because I had little to lose, and why not? The packaging is very similar to the teeth whitening essence, and I think it looks great. And it's very easy to use. Just twist to dispense the liquid and you can apply it. The brush applicator picks up the right amount of liquid to apply to the nail and surrounding skin to easily treat. And you just have to follow the package instructions for this. You can use it twice a day, morning and evening, for at least 3 weeks. It has some light scent, and it was a big plus for me. It is shown here that the ingredients are very safe and have the effect of cleaning and antibacterial effects for the nail. I have to say that this stuff truly works. I apply it after I shower and before going to bed. It dries out super quickly and it's very comfortable to use with this brush pen. It gives the nails the natural shine. It helps the nail to become more healthy and more smooth. It's safe and paintless, and for this powerful formula I can definitely say that I love this product, and it's very trusted nail repair pen. I'm definitely gonna keep using it, so I can easily recommend this to all of my friends and my family. Thank you.